So see, some of these are birds, exotic birds, which are now there in on display here, and you can see how aviculture has progressed. That these were quite rare, say 10-15 years back. These were not openly sold or housed like that. Now this is a school probably which is having this collection. So aviculture has come quite a way in India in last 8-10 years. And almost all these are now breeding. Within India itself, we are getting all these are breeding here. So things are going places in Indian aviculture. In fact, we have had overproduction. Mollucan cockatoo. So now we are having breeding and production of Mollucan cockatoo also going on. And this was a little finicky bird 10-12 years back, but probably now we are having a lot of production going on within the country. The scarlet cow, blue and gold pair, scarlet, kala, eclectus, toucan, Indonesian yellow crested cockatoo, Zendaya conure, blue fronted Amazon, again Mollucan here, pineapple conure, Recos, these are your Kadaknath, silver pheasants, these are juveniles, not adults. These are Victoria blue crown pigeons. These are Amherst pheasants. Amherst pheasants here. All the transportation and all the feathers get very tatty here during transportation. Golden pheasant here. And these are again mutations. This is a lemon pheasant, nothing but a mutant of the golden pheasant. So there are a number of morphs like that of the golden pheasant. One of them is the lemon pheasant. You get even more lighter, paler morphs. And this fellow is very tired, probably because of transport or whatever. So he is a bit tired, so he has to get used to this.